Hi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be opening up Medusa's makeup box. Yes, and I'm so excited because this is the birthday box. Medusa's makeup box runs $16.95. It is a monthly subscription. It is also vegan and cruelty-free and usually includes about 4 full-size products. So let's open it up and see what they have this month. I love the sparkles. They are everywhere. We have a card included that gives a full description of everything included in the box. I'll leave that for later. You get a coupon where you get $5 off. They included some stickers. Personally, don't use stickers. I mean, I use them if I have them, but I don't go out of my way for stickers. They're not bad. I mean, they definitely do look cute. I'll probably use them. I guess this is $2. This is a keychain, and it's called Escape the Ordinary, number 304. The back says Medusa's Makeup. I actually needed a keychain, so this is actually pretty handy for me. Usually I'm just like, what do I need a keychain for? But this is actually going to be coming useful. This is a bonus item, normally runs $8. I'm not really like super impressed right now if you can't tell, but you know, let's just keep going. If you watched my last month's video, the mascara that I got from them was actually broken. So they sent me a replacement in this box. So that is very nice. Their customer service, awesome. Like I sent the email like under 24 hours, I got a reply and they were just like, we'll include it in your next month's box. I completely forgot about it, but I appreciate that they did include it. So yay for Medusa's customer service. They included a brush. Oh, wow, look at that. It's glitter. What? Look how glittery it is. That is so cute. And it's super soft too. So cool. So this is a glitter blush brush and this runs $9. So soft. Oh my goodness. Good to add to my collection. A liquid eyeshadow, Medusa's Makeup, and it's in the style Audrey. This runs $13. So that is the shadow. That's the color. Doesn't smell that good. Double Dare Blush Sweet Cheeks. I love the packaging. Look at that candy on it. Oh, so cute. Since I don't really know how to use blushes, I'm just going to use it as an eyeshadow. Whoa. Yeah, I'm glad I decided to use this as an eyeshadow. Look how pink that is. What? It has sparkles in it. Smooth and creamy. Wow. That is absolutely beautiful. I am absolutely in love. This is a blush? Like what? There is so much pigment in this. I'm like, why is this a blush? But wow, 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 wow. I am like blown away. There is quite a bit of fallout on it, but I'm not mad. I am not mad. If a pink shows up this well on my skin tone, jeez. I am so impressed. This is like the best looking pink I've seen in quite a while. Alright, so I have a few complaints about the liquid eyeshadow. I actually had the same complaints the last time I got a liquid eyeshadow. One, I don't think enough product gets on the wand. It's literally just the very tippy tip that gets any product. So I don't know if it's up with the jar or maybe they just don't include stuff in there. And then it's too watery. You know, you're putting it on and it like takes ages before it dries. And then you have to like keep applying and keep applying and keep applying. The final outcome is very nice, but it really is just too watery. I don't know about this Medusa. I love the blush, the eyeshadow, the color is there. Actually, it's not even there. It's like fading as we're speaking right now. You have to let it sit and dry before you can do anything. I'm not a fan of this liquid eyeshadow. Do better. Do better, Medusa. I love you so much. Do better. Glitter. And it's in the style Mystique. I should have opened up this box ahead of time or thought out my look before I actually started doing it. And, oh boy, that is the glitter. Yeah, it's just blue glitter. It doesn't blend, it doesn't look like. So I just put the glitter on my eye. You can clearly see it. So it shows up. That is what it's looking like. That's a combination of all three. I kind of like it. It's a bold statement. It's a bold choice, but that's what Medusa is about. It's from Raw Organic, and it's a facial wipe in pomegranate. Biodegradable organic cotton wipe. But it does remove waterproof mascara, and it's made from 100% organic cotton. Well, I do need to wipe my face. Kind of smells like cherries, not pomegranate. But then again, my sense of smell sucks, so who knows. Alright, let's see if it's gonna clear up all this. Oh wow, one swipe. It's doing it. It works pretty well. I'm actually a fan of this. I'm a little upset they only included one, and apparently that one cost $2. That was a quick $2 that I just used. Jeez. I'm gonna try out this blush, and only using a teensy bit. Can't say I care for it. It's not my style personally. I mean, who knows? Maybe it's gonna be my style eventually, but right now it's not. I only went light because, you know, I don't want to look like Raggedy Ann or nothing. Well, that's it. That's everything that was in my Medusa's makeup box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're interested in signing up, I'll actually leave a link for their site below. Have a good one. Bye!